All right, we are walking to the square to go to the free walking tour and see all of the landmarks in Tirana.
All right, we are back in the square, heading to our walking tour destination in front of the Opera House. All right, we're here in front of the Opera House, Skanderbeg Square. Big group of us gathering for our walking tour.
But Byzantium was coming to an end. Ottoman Empire was rising. Ottomans were able to take down Constantinople, today Istanbul, and they're also able to rule here in Albania for around 400 years.
Bunk'Art to the museum. There's also a concert.
All right, let's head on inside. This is the Pyramid of Tirana. From the top of the Tirana Pyramid.
Now, the Orthodox Cathedral is also massively made by other European countries.
Bunkers. We're in a park where there's these bunkers all over the country, and we're exploring this one. It's super tiny.
That's for midgets.
All right, well, that was fun. Lots of interesting buildings and
Lots of information.
lots of history. Very cool. Very cool.